Good day everyone, my name is Jordan and I am with the Support Services Division. Please allow me to share a very exciting update about our company vision and mission. With over 2 decades under our belt, PMII has grown from the passion of a group of determined individuals into a significant player in the professional marketing industry. As we establish a significant foothold in the local market, we will focus now on a bigger pond, the pond called Asia. We dare to dream big, bigger than the last 20 years. We believe that anything worth pursuing all starts from a daring vision. Our vision is to be the most valued and trusted marketing services partner in Asia. The first keyword is Asia, meaning in the next few years we will embark to provide our services to our nearby Asian neighbors. The second keyword is marketing services partner. This means that we will offer our core business in adjacent industries other than the healthcare industry. We will also skill up to provide other key marketing services that our client needs. We need to stay relevant. The third and most important keywords are valued and trusted. These are the keywords that we focused on in the last 20 years. We believe that focusing on being valued and trusted will bring us to an even bigger next 20 years. So again, our vision is to be the most valued and trusted marketing services partner in Asia. How do we accomplish this? That's where our mission comes in. Our mission statement is our purpose. It's a reason for existence. It's a statement of who we are and why we exist. Let us talk about the three parts of our updated mission statement. The first part of our mission statement is to delight our partners with innovative end-to-end solutions to drive business success. What got us where we are may not be what brings us to the next 20 years. With changing times, our responsibility is to adapt our services to what truly matters to our clients. We need to expand our services to add marketing services that provides them the best value. It is never about us. It is always about our clients. The success of our clients is our success. The second part of our mission statement is contribute to the growth of employees. We continue to put our people at the core of who we are. The key word is growth. We will continue to grow job opportunities for future risers. For our existing risers, we will continue to develop your competencies. We will continue to provide existing risers with a chance to take on more significant roles in the company so that they have a career path. The third part of the mission statement is and nurture our community. We continue to keep in mind our responsibility to our community and to our society. Our community, after all, is our homes. We continue to be responsible for our home. Together, our mission or purpose is to delight our partners with innovative end-to-end solutions to drive business success, contribute to the growth of employees, and nurture our community. Let us all keep our vision and mission at heart. Everything we do must align to our vision. Every project we take on should bring us closer to our vision. As we do our day-to-day work, let us all be reminded of our mission, because this is our purpose, our reason for existence. Thank you very much, risers, and have a good day.